Hi y'all. Today we're gonna make some big ass chicken burritos. We seen a video online on YouTube, and I thought I kind of want to try it. So I made regular sized burritos before, but never the big burritos. So, and it's like what you get with, you know, you order a burrito from like Chipotle or, you know, Qdoba or whatever. So I thought, well, what the hell, we'll try it. So that's where we're at. So we're going to start off with a little butter in the pan, and to that, and I cut some stuff up and add some chicken pieces to it, and I cut some stuff up in advance just to make it go a little quicker. And to that, I'm gonna add seasonings. I got some I don't even know what I've got. Some Mrs. Dash. I got probably about 2 tablespoons of Mrs. Dash. I got about a half a teaspoon of red pepper, crushed red pepper. I got about, I'd say about a tablespoon of cumin. And I got about, I don't know, about a tablespoon of garlic powder. And about a tablespoon of black pepper. We're going to mix that all together. And then just kind of let it sit there and do its thing, let it cook a little bit. Now to these burritos, I'm going to add some bell pepper, onion, and tomatoes, and some jalapenos to the chicken. And then we're going to have refried beans and Mexican Spanish rice in it. And some cheese, and then Diane likes sour cream. I don't, so I'll be putting sour cream on hers, but not mine. Okay, and it's starting to cook a little here. Okay, as the chicken is cooking, about this point I want to add a little bit of, add the bell peppers, because they take a little bit longer to cook, get softened. So I'm going to add them now. And then they can cook in with the chicken and do their thing to get soft. And then we'll add the onions, the peppers, and then the tomatoes kind of towards the end, just so they don't get all mushy and, you know, yucky. These are just canned refried beans, and you know, you can get any kind of refried beans you want. I have made my own refried beans before, but for this we just kind of made it simple and just kind of, you know, did store-bought, you know, canned refried beans. Same way with the rice, you know, it's the bagged pre-made Spanish rice, and just for something quick and easy. This is looking pretty good here. Doing its thing, cooking up. I like a little bit of spice in my cooking. It might look like a lot, you know, but it's really not. But I mean, like I said, you can do whatever you want to do. If you want to add a lot of spice, you can add a lot. If you can add a little, you can add a little. But I like, you know, kind of spicy. Okay, about this time, about halfway through cooking the chicken, I'm gonna add the onions and the jalapenos. Alright, about this point in time, the chicken's pretty much done. We're gonna add in the tomatoes. And get them going and getting them softened up a little bit. It's looking pretty good, isn't it? It's almost ready. We're gonna be putting the burritos together here in just a little bit. But if y'all like this kind of content, shoot me a message down below and let me know. Let me know you like it. Give us a thumbs up and let me know. And I planned on doing a lot more cooking videos, just to, you know, get some videos out. And Diane's got her motivation type thing going on, and I figured I'd do a little bit of cooking videos for y'all, and we'll go from there. Like I said before in the meatloaf video, I really like to cook, and you know, I enjoy it, and I hope, like, you know, y'all like my cooking also. I mean, I know you can't taste it, but hopefully my cooking style it's different, you know. It's not the everyday, I guess, cooking style. Like, this is not by no means a traditional Mexican meal, but it's my traditional Mexican meal, so to speak. If you like this kind of content, let me know, and leave a comment down below. Alright, well, I think it's time to get some shells heated up. Now, my little griddle here is not big enough for my shells, but I'm gonna make do. I'm just gonna kind of heat them up a little bit, and then I planned on, after we get everything put together in them, I'm gonna put it back on the griddle, and I'm gonna grill them up a little bit. That's hot. But as you can see, you know, this turns into just, you know, just a chicken filling for the burrito. And it looks real good. It smells amazing. I wish y'all could smell it, because it just, the smell coming off of there, it's just so good. We got our rice all ready. And then I'm making a mess. Look at that. Got our beans all ready. So I think it's time to build. Alright. Chicken's ready. So let's do this. We're going to start with a little bit of sour cream for Diane. And then get that smoothed around. And we're gonna add some beans. And y'all can, you know, make this however you want. If you want to add more sour cream, add less sour cream, add no sour cream, more beans, less beans, however y'all want to make it. Do some rice. And you can even make steak, you know. You don't have to make chicken. You can make steak, you can make shrimp. You just do whatever y'all want to do. Yeah, you make fish too, I think. Now we're gonna roll. And just gonna kind of fold in the sides. And just roll. Now we're going to put this back on the griddle. Build the next one. So like I said, I'm not going to add sour cream to mine, so mine's just going to be the beans. Oh yeah, I forgot to add cheese. Forgot to add cheese to hers. I must have fixed that.
That's sad.
That's sad. I know that's sad. Add some rice. Then add the chicken. A little bit of cheese. A little bit of jalapenos, and we roll. And we put that back on the grill. Now we'll kind of fix hers up. Add some jalapenos. And add some cheese. And I was informed that she wants a lot of cheese. So that's a lot of cheese. Now we're going to try to roll it again. And then it'll go on the grill. And there you have it, folks. The big ass burrito. Looks pretty good. So, if y'all like this content, like I said, please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. And hit that bell for future notifications so you can get more videos like this. And let me know what you think. Till then, we'll be back.
Ready to try this?
Ready to try it.
Smells so good.
It does.
It's a lot, y'all.
He looks so good. Oh my gosh. Y'all need to try that.
That's delicious.
Wow.
It's huge, like, it's huge.
It is huge. That's why it's called a big ass burrito.
Whoa.
But
Let me see yours. You didn't get sour cream, did you?
no, you did. It's on there.
Okay. You get it. It's good.
Definitely try it, make it. Leave me a comment and see what you think about it.
Let me just say this really quick. I think you could have done beef or anything,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and it would be delicious.
Yeah, definitely. It is. It is amazing.
And let me just say this too. The burrito makes it crunchy, and good. But we're fixing to go on a diet,
Yeah.
and we can't have the burrito in the rice.
This is like our blowout. So.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to figure out how to do this low carb.
Right. Because this
One or
is
the
good.
other.
This
Yeah.
is real good. So, we'll be back.